spent my 23rd birthday with me in Curaçao. That's one of the ABC islands. If you heard of Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao is C, and we're finishing up the ABCs. Hey y'all, stay tuned in Curaçao. Let's see what we get into today. Today we're supposed to be trying Bliss of the Berry for breakfast. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do for lunch, but we do have this, what is it tonight? Oh, this boat cruise and this unlimited drinks and appetizers and all that. So we're gonna see what the vibes is, y'all, in Curaçao. Hey y'all, we're day 2 in Curaçao. Why the curls drop? Now it's giving wavy. It's giving wavy, but I still look good. Hey y'all see the view? Hold on. Yes girl, yes girl, yeah. Y'all, it is really beautiful out here. Like, I could just sit out here for hours. We're gonna see what the vibes is, y'all, in Curaçao. But the food has been good so far. Like, the pasta that I showed y'all last night, 10 out of 10. Like, I wanted a second round, you hear me? And the plate that I showed y'all that I got from the food truck, the shrimp was the best thing on the plate, honestly. The macaroni salad was good, but it's not my type of macaroni salad. I mean, but it was good. Everybody else liked it. But the rice, I was like, nah, I'm good. But the shrimp, baby, just give me the shrimp next time. That's it. It was garlic butter shrimp gourmet. Like, yeah, it was all that and a bag of chips, especially the pasta too. All that and a bag of chips. So hopefully we get some more good food today. I want to try a snapper fish before I leave. That's on my bucket list. I've been all on TikTok looking for where I can get a snapper. But yeah, so I'm waiting on that patiently. So we're staying at the St. Tropez, and basically you can just walk down to all these different restaurants and stuff. They have more places that way as well, and they have the water views on the opposite side of the hotel. Yeah. What's up? Oh. I don't think I would suggest wearing a wig though, because I am so freaking hot. Like, so hot. You know it's hot here too. This is Mambo Beach. This is Curaçao's strip, and they have restaurants, bars, nightlife, entertainment, rentals, tours, souvenirs, gifts, and all that. So I just wanted to make sure I showed y'all the directory. I had to switch my smoothie out.
Oh, you want to do it too?
Oh, thank you. Sure. Okay. Yep.
I want t-shirts right.
Okay, you. So we decided to switch outfits and do all white for the sunset cruise. Yeah, I really do not like wearing all white. And this outfit is like, it's cute, but baby, I am shapy, as you can see. So it looks different on brown skin girls with like a belly and a booty too. So you see like the belly poking out. It's a lot, but I'm still beautiful. White is just not a color that I personally like to wear on myself. But I'm also getting a little bit of work done while I wait on the girls to get ready. Ate at Bliss the Berry. The smoothie bowl and everything was pretty good. Y'all, why am I always down here and I don't have no brush? No brush. So when the waves start coming, the waves just start coming. That's what it is. But yeah, we're about to go on this boat. And it's supposed to have endless drinks. The boat has endless drinks and appetizers on the boat. And it's supposed to be a hip-hop boat. So it's supposed to be lit. So we're going to see. Hopefully it's giving Aruba. Because Aruba is the one. Aruba is the one. Out of Curaçao and Bonaire. Aruba is the one, but Curaçao have better food than Aruba and Bonaire. My personal opinion.
Okay. Thank you for waiting.
They are coming now.
Yes, they should be behind. I just walked fast.
Too much.
My dear. Why you gonna hit
I told y'all they were doing endless drinks on this cruise, but I started off with some wine, something light, because I'm not really a drinker and I prefer not to drink, but I did get lit on the cruise eventually.
Here on the saxophone together with DJ Menasa, we are the entertainment for you guys for this afternoon. Hope you guys having a good time. Hope you guys having a great time. We're about to have some more good time and some good music, right? So let's start it off. It's a sunset, nice sunset. My style's a little different. It is super slow. Super slow. So I hope you guys don't get bored or anything. But let's get it started. But psych. Be a fox, be a fox, be a fox, be a fox. Everybody sing. Hold me up, my dear. I'm telling me I should not fight. I know, yeah.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no. Yeah.
Let's do it. Wallet, my coat, my sandals, waiting, coming,
Every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, hey, tepe. Niña tombong panta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to. Baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your moms I'm your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your
One time for my Puerto Rico people. Puerto Rico, vamos allá, dice.
Time for us to eat.
go lost with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my
Shout out to my auntie Tisha. She done got me a drink, y'all. For my birthday.
key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean, yeah. She deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in on with my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lost with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Bobby, hey Bobby.
Thank y'all so much for tuning into my 23rd birthday vlog. Thank y'all for spending it with me. Make sure you like this video, share it, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about Curaçao so far and what you think about the Sunset Cruise boat, because that was like one of my favorites, and Bliss the Berry as well. I really enjoyed this day.